what's up. I can never.
Contribution or
Contour.
Combien? Alright guys, so right now we're in Estate, right? And we're at this really nice house. Yes, we just happened to end up here. We're actually looking for abandoned villa, but then what happened is that it's not actually abandoned.
But we have to ask.
Yes, but we have to ask permission.
So
yes.
For next video, we won't tell you what. So we can for next video. So once we get permission. Basically,
what we're gonna do right now in this video, we might shoot another video if we end up finding any abandoned place, because we see some places that looks very interesting, but it's just difficult to get there. So if we get there, you might see that. But right now in this video, we'll show you guys this really nice house.
It's like a castle on a hill.
Yes. That's what I think. That's why. I think that's an excellent name for this video.
Yeah,
Castle on a hill. Yeah. All right. So
we are not allowed to go outside. People are inside.
Yes, people are inside, so you're not allowed to like go inside and stuff. Yeah. I mean that's understandable, because the person actually let us do that.
Yeah. So I thought actually for it was just
one big house. Yeah. But apparently it's like not villas, but like apartments.
Apartments inside of a castle. That's how big it is.
Yes. So let's dive right into this video. Yeah. Okay, so this is the pool right here. Go with yourself. Go with yourself. Alright? So this is basically the front of the house. It really looks like a castle. Alright?
Maybe when we go down we'll show it to you all
from afar. Yeah, then you will see why we call it that. Yeah. And this is a really nice little small gazebo around there.
And guess what? A black man owns it. Thank you very much.
Then, no, we don't say these things. Please.
Let me take a seat on the patio.
Yeah.
It's like a man for my dad.
Then alright guys, so yeah, I'll show them the view in a minute. Sorry about the wind in this video guys, because we don't have a mic.
Don't forget castle on the hill.
Yes, we don't have a mic and we're on a hill, so that's why there's a lot of wind in this video. check this out, guys. This was our old fire truck from. Yeah, I don't know how it got there, but that's what it looks like to me. Alright guys, so we made it to the top of a hill, some hilly area, right? And we found this nice little area where like it looks like it heads to something interesting.
Not interesting, creepy.
And we trying to head there.
The one is I'm not up for it.
The
and the rain
us.
started to fall.
Then was.
The rain started to fall.
It started raining, so we're going to let the rain cease off a bit, and
we
then
should just go.
no,
We should just
and
go.
we found one thing interesting today. Let's find something else, okay? So because we originally came here to do abandoned exploration, but the structure is not really abandoned as yet. So we let the rain ease off, and then we will get back. If you guys.
We'll get back with you.
Alright guys, so the rain has kind of eased up at the moment.
It's drizzling and my hair is getting wet. I'm getting wet.
Man, we're just going fast. We're going fast, let's go. No, we're not blowing the rain then. Let's go. So,
I'm going to get the food.
now you're going to get the flow. So we're heading in. Oh my god, not that kind of mud again. Anyways, they have concrete there. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, we're going to get heavy.
Then
Oh, it's starting to
but if it's the shoes, it'll be worse, it'll be heavier. Okay guys, so attempt to
free.
yes, free attempt free. Right? We're going to try to see what's over here, and we will show you guys whilst we're walking through and everything obviously. Then that was us, that was our footsteps.
We reach all that?
Yes. Then everything you do, you feel everything. Yeah. So, yes. So this is the path right here. Whilst we're going along the way, we'll show it to you guys. And we're just not sure of what's here. I hope it's something interesting because we attempt to come up here like 3 times, and each time we come, the rain starting to fall.
And we saw a dog.
Yeah, we saw a little dog, so we're not sure of what is up here. Alright? So okay, so there's a pink house.
We don't know dogs.
Yeah. A house because watch how they put the rocks. Watch how they put the rocks there on the ground. What's a big house? A big pink house.
Show it to them.
Big pink house.
In the bush.
Yeah. Maybe here is a road. A road that's
road?
yeah. Because
That's probably to go into their house.
no, I doubt. Because look at how they have how much land and stuff there. You see that? And they have how much rock by the road. You see that pink little dog? You see what it is?
Wait.
Look it.
Little dog.
Yeah. You see, look like it to go to the person's house there. And look, they have a little thing going on there again. What's all where they have houses? Hold us. You see the stadium? Hold the umbrella there.
Yeah.
Let me show them. What's all where their houses? All where their houses. All day. That's the boss's cricket ground. Yeah.
And it's really quiet. Grass not cut, so I guess nobody's home.
Then that's why you never know.
I don't know why I'm not going inside there.
No, but we continue to walk up there.
You continue?
Yeah, we continue to walk up there. Yeah. We're going hardcore. You're going hardcore for the squad, eh? Okay.
Let's be quiet.
Alright.
Where there's a small dog, there's a big one. So.
Then, okay, yeah. Hey, that's surveillance there.
Yeah, because I'm not a big one.
True. Oh, that's somebody else.
Oh, somebody there?
Yeah, but you see the car? Yeah, somebody else. Alright. So, I was hoping to find something extremely really interesting.
But I find it's very creepy to have a house the way it is. Just the entrance alone. Just the entrance alone is a weird place to have a house.
For true.
I guess gives weird people.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm sad and a little bit disappointed that we didn't get what we came out to do today, but we got something else.
We got something and I'm satisfied, and whatever the one is disappointed about, I don't know, and that's his problem.
Man,
I'm not disappointed
so
because I got a castle on the hill and another place that was looking sketchy. So satisfied. But if you like the video, even if you didn't like the video, make sure you like the video. Even if you didn't like the video,
make sure you like it. Make sure you give the thumbs up. Watch the entire video because it helps us out a lot. And let us know what you think about what we saw and what we see and stuff today.
Yeah, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
Share this video. Make sure you share. A lot of y'all watch, but y'all don't like.
Yeah, y'all don't like. So make sure you like the video.
What's with that?
Yes. And follow us.
How you watching and you don't like?
Follow us on Instagram, right?
Yes. It's in the description as well, but Mercedes R20
at DCD1 and at quantum_files. Alright, so if you want, you can screenshot our latest post, tag us, and share it as a status or a post.
Yeah, there's a share button right below this video.
Yeah.
Right there, you can just,
so
and it's
you can let
very
us know.
close to the subscribe button. You can just press that.
You can let us know that you shared the video and stuff, so we really appreciate that. It helps us out a lot. We really want to grow and grow and grow some more.
Should we give a shout out?
Yeah. What we got? What I originally?
Shout out to one person in my mind right now.
Yeah. What I was?
Shout out to Coach Forever.
Yeah. She's a 100% loyal supporter.
She's new and she's doing good.
Yes.
She promotes us.
What I want to do now from this video on, I know I said that before, but we haven't been doing that because persons haven't been, commenting and stuff.
You only to comment if you watch so that we can give you a shout out.
The first person to comment on this video right now gets a shout out. And every other video, the first person gets a shout out.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to choose two people, right? Nan going to choose one person, I'm going to choose one person. And these two people will get a shout out. So, starting from the next video, I'm going to say it again. The first person that comments
from
on
this video
onwards gets a shout out. Yes.
Yep.
Alright?
So don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend to subscribe to us.
Yes. So, see you guys
in the next video.
In the next one.